Hi, Owen. Hi, Owen. Are you eating? Now what do you want? Owen. Owen is 12 months old. He loves to eat. Whoa. What, baby? You're too silly. What do you see? What do you want? Do you want more? More. Okay. More. Do you want more? All done? More. Show me more. Can you say more? Oh, juice. Thirsty. Can you show me how to say more? More? Do you know how to say more? What are you doing with that cup? What are you doing? You're making a lot of noise. More?